Hello again, everyone. I'm with a special guest, Miss Whitney Brooke.
That would be I.
That would be her. So she is actually from London. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
What I do? I'm a professional model. I go all over, basically U.S. doing promotional work, editorial, print, you name it.
She does it all. She's like a Renaissance woman, I guess, right? Is that right?
Pretty much. I try.
So what do you think about being back home in London?
I just recently moved back about 4 months ago, so I wanted to be really close to my friends and family, and I'm digging it.
She likes it. She's digging it. Her word, she's digging it. Well, we appreciate you coming out. Is there anything else you'd like to promote?
Not as of right now, just myself. Here's my booth.
And I have, hold on, let it slide very slowly. Here, I'm right here.
Posters. Selling posters and calendars and everything else, so.
Cover up my face. Okay, we're good. It's a very nice poster. Everyone probably would want to buy this poster. I'm probably going to walk away with this poster. I'm kidding. I'm not. I'll put it back. I'll be good. We appreciate you talking with us.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thanks.